You're better than the best. I'm lucky just to...
Nice play by Chu. Going, second touch, Galang. Scores! Amazing play by De La Salle. Under duress. The offense finds. Excellent save. First by Chu. Going was there. She set it up, underhand, back to the net. And then Galang with a perfect finish.
Lahat na ituro na. Lahat natutunan mo na. Patibayan na lang talaga. Mentally. And that's what separates one from the other.
That's right.
Right now, the score, Mosey, is 4-1.
And, knowing Coach Roger, definitely he prepares his team. Multi-awarded
the
coach
pressure
yan.
of being the #1 girl, which was what she was last year.
Oh!
Yeah, great attack.
Galang smartly just going for off speed, but with a sharp angle.
May pitik din, ano?
No, yan ang maganda sa akin.
Side na demoralize ka ng konti. But on the other hand, we know that this game is a team sport. So, yung balasa ng players, the shuffling of players, and I'm sure these rotations, the six who are playing on the floor, pinapractice yan sa training.
There's an Owishi-Owa moment of the game. Owishi-Owa open to everyday. Open up the chance for LaSalle. Galang off speed!
Oh!
Perfect! Perfect placement!
And,
For Galang, nakailan na ba siyang ganyan? Huh?
and yung timing
Oo.
eksakto yung
Pababa
sa
na siya.
sinasabi ni Coach Francis
Pababa,
Hintayin
no?
yung bumaba ang
Yun.
blockers. Diba?
Oh, Chuck Cruz, all the other great open spikers that LaSalle has had.
Free ball to.
They go back to Ara. And another point.
Keeping it simple, going to percentage play. That's what LaSalle is doing right now.
Sila ngayon ang kumakapit kasama ni Ian. And you know that's also another thing about Ara. She can touch. That's all because of you guys. LaSalle is becoming so scrappy here, huh?
Oh! Even that
Are you kidding me?
punch from Galang scores na ma-point. Itong si Galang, her volleyball IQ.
I agree. High school move.
But a lot of players, the skill is there eh. Pero iba talaga.
Nakakatuwa rin.
Nice dig by Demesilio, which translates into this Galang kill, and she puts it away. Credit half that point to Demesilio, who took Tintin on that dig.
Look at the height of this flight. Look at her go up there, even over the blockers of NU.
Value
The
of
top
Coach August
blockers.
Santamaria, the US team of
Institution.
Oh, yun na yun. As is that Ara Galang?
That's right, Ara Galang.
Second-year player with an outstanding year last year.
Rookie of the year.
Correct? The combination play to give them or to tie this game. Herbacio, that's too easy for LaSalle. Underhand set to Galang. Galang puts it away. And sets up set point for LaSalle.
Nice
And set
save by
number 4.
Guevara. Galang. Fouled that cut shot out of nowhere.
Galang, very flexible.
Just fabricated a shot out of nowhere. That's amazing.
The killer instinct,
Yes.
diba? Nawawala eh. Pag LaSalle ang kaharap, ito, Tejada unable to follow it. And LaSalle with a 3-point lead. If you're Ateneo, cannot be disheartened. You have to keep fighting. As
NU, the Lady Bulldogs, will react to the situation. They're
Yes.
up by 2.
It's a great point, Mosey. That's a great move by Galang, outsmarting Santiago as a single blocker was there to check her. Galang adjusts in midair. Look at this. Full swing, and then ang paborito ni Mosey. Konting off-speed lang.
Even with their talent, as Maruban at Tikla, it'd be interesting how she will play today against LaSalle. Dalawang sibat na ang ginawa nito si Ara Galang for a 4-1 lead for the ladies in green.
Galang, a very talented
Mainlet.
attacker here.
Chance for LaSalle here. Back and forth
Oh,
action.
mababa yun.
Back and forth
Another low
action.
set.
Galang again.
Wow, Ara Galang. This girl, I
I don't believe he's just a second-year player. Ara Galang scoring that
Right,
point.
and that's another good coverage for the Lady Warriors. Almost. Those
Biglang
are
nagkahiyaan.
miscommunication there. Oh, Galang hammering that through. No blocker going up against her. And again, that's not one thing you would want to do if you're up against LaSalle.
That was a nice set too. Very nice set. It was put perfectly in the middle of the two blockers, kaya Galang had an easy. Fajardo opens up to Galang! Nobody home!
Blockers of UST very late.
What a set by Fajardo!
Look at this. Nice jump set. And Galang was too quick on that attack.
The one scramble.
Again, there's a
Set
reason.
that one with an underhand one. Galang puts it away.
Once again, Galang just making things happen for DLSU this third set.
At nabuhayan yung LaSalle crowd dito sa
Set
arena.
it! Oy, naibalik pa! Set point for LaSalle, a chance here. Galang puts it away! Yes! After all of that, LaSalle holds strong. USC comes back from 6 points down to get 3 set points, but LaSalle is the one that gets it done here in the first set, 30-28.
And again, faulty reception.
Yes, that has been really the problem of Ateneo. They managed to take up the
Oh,
ball.
what an angle by the co-MVP.
The very young Ara Galang.
The timeout by Coach Roger Gorayev here. Look at Ara Galang. A little bit of an off-speed, a little bit of a cut shot, and a great placement by the
Opportunity.
Long rally.
Galang puts it away.
Wow, solid play from Galang. This was actually a free ball dug up by Gohing.
Yep.
And look at Galang. Wala pa sa position yun. He approached.
Honestly, nung naalala ko, nung captain pa ako noon, nakipag-tune up sa amin, parang NCR team for palaro, and
Yes.
then nakita niya si Ara doon. Second year pa lang si Ara nag-recruitment.
Wow.
Not necessarily nag-graduating ka, tsaka i-recruit.
Yes,
As early as second.
Afternoon, Aganon. NU leading by 4 in set number 2. Galang. That's not coming back. Aganon was trying to go after it, but that's not coming back.
And look at ito yung sinasabi nating point kanina, no? Yung halimbawa NU, when they commit an error, hindi nila ma-stop right away. Unlike ito si Galang, error kanina, after that timeout, sa kanya uli, mawin ka agad. That should be the attitude. Yun talaga.
Free ball for LaSalle here. They're down 3. Maranyo asking for it, but it is Galang who puts it away.
Ara Galang, she really has to, get back her normal kind of play. Sabi nga natin, very aggressive. A reigning rookie of the year has scored double digits in most of the wins of LaSalle. They got to do better when it comes to
Another
beating,
chance ball for LaSalle. Galang in the middle. Cut shot. An angled shot, and Cabanas was not ready, and she might be taken out here for Lentil. Look at the angle. Facing right,
But bringing it back to the left.
right? Something that Pao Soriano is so good at too. Being closer to the net, but Galang. Agno keeping it up. Back set to Banyel. Nasa ilalim ng bola, pero Gohing able to dig it up. Galang. Smart. Smart. Real smart.
You know, that's what I think that Coach Ramil's game plan for today. Use your head. You know, it's not all power because they've been targeting. You can
Si
see
Ian Fajardo, di ba? Alam naman natin teammate nila sa UST, no?
Yes.
Ng high school. Elementary pa pala. Elementary, magkasama sila sa Taha.
Wow.
At bangko daw si Valdez. Si Fajardo yung naglalaro. Balikan natin yung kwento na yan mamaya. Makinig muna tayo sa timeout.
Herself, her game.
Not too many points.
Oh, napo. Kinaliwa.
Trying to find a way just to put it over.
Wow. What an adjustment by this Kapampangan at the net. And then she finds that spot just right there. Leaves her hand just at the right moment.
But now they're on opposite sides of the floor.
Yes. Galang
Ito na.
ties the ball game at
Eto
13.
na. Ito yung sinasabi natin. This girl cannot, she's gonna find a way to score. And she's proven that in previous games. Tama yung pinag-usapan natin, Boom. Ateneo, they know what happened in the first round.
That was in set number 3.
Oh.
And coincidentally,
Galang off the block, and finally LaSalle surges ahead 3-2 in set number 1.
Really, that's the right thing to do, at least in this first stage, in this first set. Tansyahin mo yung kalaban, tansyahin mo yung blocking, go for hard-hitting attacks, look where they're
Coach,
for
recruiting will say, huwag ka na dyan, hindi ka makalaro. Play with
Yun na yun. Galang puts it away and
25.
puts away this first set in LaSalle's pocket. They string a good number of points for a 6-point win here in the first set, 30.
That's right, and Galang actually playing very well.
Ferrer, Kainglet, off speed, changes
Outgoing,
direction.
kanina pa rin yan.
Galang again, puts it away. Wow, tremendous talent from the Angeles University Foundation.
And Boom, this is the reason why volleyball is loved by so many right now. You know, it's not just the players, the schools, but it's the quality.
Galang again.
Oh,
That hole has been open since the start of set number 1.
correct. Chu was aiming to that zone. Ito rin, Galang too, and has been successful. That's why they were able to get this first set.
And they spread the word. Just get it there because there is no defense
serving
whatsoever.
set
Number 1. Tough setup job for Esperanza on her knees, pero Ara Galang pounding that ball.
Very strong hitter. He's actually one of the best hitters that we have here in the league.
You can
Imagine
be
the
discouraged and you know, lose life, lose a little air, or you can be motivated by it. If you're LaSalle, I always say this even from a tennis standpoint, Moses, you cannot get distracted from
Yes.
the goal, from the fact we kulang sila.
Renek Young is tuned in to us. Nice save by Fajardo. Underhand set. Galang off speed. That is another point.
Smart move from Ara Galang. You would see here that she's the same approach, but still applied mid-air. She's changed her speed and momentum. Off speed.
That was Galang rolling sideways to pick up that save. And hitting.
The confidence is at an all-time high now for this sophomore.
Galang.
Once again, yung Andy was just giving LaSalle easy balls. Even spike ball, yung attack balls nila were easy balls. And this is what you get.
Malamya, mga bigay ng
How
NU.
advantageous is that lineup of Coach Daniel. How deep that lineup is.
Galang able to get through the triple block in that sequence to cut the lead down to 1.
And more than that,
Forcing
more
this FEU team.
easy.
Chance for FEU here. They go to Bastos again. Block. Free ball for LaSalle, down 2. Open to Galang again! And she puts it away! Almost a front line kill.
That's right. Give half of that point to Fajardo and Reyes for fishing out 2 blockers. Look at Parma.
Yep, and alone on an island.
Giselle C.
Was
mag-isa
the
against
smallest
Galang.
player, no? Pretty quiet here. Panatikla. 16 all is our score. Humabol na UST dito. Again, it is Galang. She is able to put it away.
Imagine Galang only
Kundi ang
on her
yung
sophomore
kapunan, kundi
week.
tiyagain to at kapitan itong
Mhm.
Lasal. Ang abante, 3 na ibalik pa yung bola. Galang.
He's gonna hit it.
Yeah, no. She's probably saying none of this off-speed stuff anymore.
Because she tried it the first time.
Nandun si Eulalio.
Nandun si Nalo eh. Kaya sabi niya, hindi ko ulit ito, bahala kayo.
That's Pablo. The tip. Gohing picks it up. Galang again. Just tenacious. defensively and offensively. That's why LaSalle, they're the defending champions.
And again, Galang not giving up, still going for the shots, going for powerful hits.
Last
Managing
2
the
years
block.
for UAP volleyball has been so good. The last 2 years has been so good for this reigning Rookie of the Year.
Grabe, the elevation of Galang.
Great timeout by Coach Ramil Lian.
Chris, nakusan niya kukunin yung ball.
Oh boy.
Hitting it above the block of Giselle C.
More of Z. Herbacio.
Kojima serving. Serve. Up 2. Galang returns the favor.
And Galang loving that one.
Rookie of the Year last year.
Yep. Well-deserved award. This Galang makes this point.
Sure, they want to see that team fight for another set here. Galang again. This time she's in the middle. Right, Galang. What else can this girl not do?
So much athleticism. Such a high volleyball IQ.
Yes. On top of the blockers. And again, towards the...
I'd like to say hi to my kumare, Lizelle Tavera, and my kumpare, Sean Solis from Cavite, who's watching right now.
Galang also getting that point to get them ahead here, 14-13. Galang has been spectacular.
Yes. After that third set, nabuhay.
Here, Tejada sent back by Reyes. Valdez this time. Galang says, kaya.
Got it.
Ferrer goes back to Eliza. Galang is there. 19 points already for Victor Nara Galang. Make that 20 off a service ace.
Not just her offense that scores her the points.
She had 10. Argas. Galang.
Nice set.
Mabaw. Rojas again on the second ball. And look at how solid Chu is in the back in front, but Mika Reyes is on the bench right now. 2 of the 3.
Oh, and Galang gets an ace. Good coverage coming from both teams.
Gem back set. And a point for LaSalle, and again the blocks coming into play.
That time, Z. Herbacio challenged the blockers of LaSalle, just testing where she could place that hit.
And also Coach Audrey Mamon there challenging Lantin. Tama naman no? Lantin only has 2 spikers. Now what she needs is to give it to that person who has the advantage.
Shakey's fast serve brought to you by Shakey's Fun Family Pizza. Dusara unable to handle this one.
Well, she knew that the defense of De La Salle was still scrambling.
It's the right play at the right time.
Yeah.
But ayop yung habol nung LaSalle.
Grabe. That was Galang.
Pero kung yung off-speed, gusto mo mabilis pa rin yung baba ng bola.
Oy, binawian din! And Aragala takes a look at Santiago there. Dahil ganun-ganun din ang nangyari.
Correct.
She blocks, and then it goes back to Dinbin. Tit for tat.
My turn.
I'm looking at Coach Ramil right now. He's looking at the crowd, and the crowd is feeling it. And it's in the hands of Aragalang.
And once
Championship point.
Crumbling. Diba? They had a 4-point lead, but LaSalle was stuck there.
Last season's Rookie of the Year. And this season, she had led her squad in scoring with 12.6 points per game, highlighted by 9.6 attacks each game. This co-MVP in the women's division from the De La Salle Lady Spikers, number 8, Aragala.
At tigasan ninyo ang loob nyo. He also instructed the girls to have an open line of communication on the court para maiwasan ang mga unforced errors. Lastly, coach has complete and full trust in the girls and he knows that they